Bay windows are a charming architectural feature that adds natural light, aesthetic appeal, and extra space to a home. In Gilbert, Arizona, where abundant sunshine enhances the beauty of bay windows, they're a popular choice among homeowners. However, like any architectural feature, bay windows can develop problems over time. Understanding these issues and how to address them is crucial for maintaining your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Leaking and water damage. One of the most common problems with bay windows is leaking, which can lead to water damage if left unaddressed. In Gilbert, occasional monsoon rains can exploit vulnerabilities in your window's seals, flashing, or frame. Over time, this can cause rotting wood, stained walls, or even mold growth. Solution: to fix leaks, start by identifying the source. Inspect the caulking around the frame and replace any damaged or deteriorating sections. Check the flashing above the window and ensure it's properly installed and intact. If the damage is extensive, it might be necessary to call a professional for repairs or replacement. Drafts and poor insulation in bay windows often become a source of drafts, especially in older homes. Drafts can make your living space uncomfortable and increase energy bills. In Gilbert, where summers are scorching, poor insulation can lead to significant heat gain, making your air conditioner work overtime. Solution: seal any gaps or cracks around the window frame with weather stripping or caulk. Consider upgrading to double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low E coatings, which are designed to reflect heat and keep your home cooler. Installing insulating window treatments like cellular shades can also help reduce drafts and improve energy efficiency. Structural issues. The unique design of bay windows, extending outward from the home, means they rely on proper support. Over time, the structure can sag or become misaligned, especially if it was not installed correctly or has been exposed to weathering. Solution: inspect the support brackets and anchoring points for signs of wear or damage. Reinforcing these supports or adding new ones can stabilize the window. If the structural issues are severe, consult a contractor or window specialist to ensure the repair is done safely and effectively. Condensation between panes. If your bay window features double pane glass, you might notice condensation forming between the panes. This is typically caused by a broken seal, which compromises the insulating properties of the window and affects visibility. Solution: unfortunately, condensation between panes usually means the window unit needs to be replaced. To prevent this problem in the future, invest in high-quality windows with strong seals and consider applying a protective coating or film. Fading and sun damage. Gilbert's sunny climate is a double-edged sword for bay windows. While natural light brightens your space, prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and window treatments inside your home. Solution: install UV-blocking window films or low-E glass to minimize sun damage. Adding exterior awnings or planting shade providing trees can further protect your interior while enhancing the aesthetic of your home. Rotting or peeling frames. Wooden frames on bay windows, while visually appealing, can deteriorate over time due to exposure to moisture and UV rays. Peeling paint or rot not only affects the window's appearance but also its structural integrity. Solution: scrape away peeling paint and sand the surface before applying a fresh coat of weather-resistant paint. For rotting wood, remove and replace the damaged sections or consider upgrading to vinyl or aluminum-clad frames, which require less maintenance. Difficult operation. Bay windows often feature operable components like casement or double-hung windows. Over time, these parts can become difficult to open or close due to dirt buildup, rust, or warped frames. Solution: clean the tracks and moving parts of the window regularly to prevent buildup. Lubricate hinges and locks to ensure smooth operation. If the frame is warped, a professional may need to adjust or replace the affected section. Conclusion: bay windows add elegance and functionality to your Gilbert home, but they require regular maintenance to stay in top condition. By addressing issues like leaks, drafts, and structural concerns promptly, you can preserve their beauty and ensure your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Whether you tackle these problems yourself or call in professionals, investing in the upkeep of your bay windows will pay off in the long run.